Good morning from the Philippines and to the world. Medyo pagpasensyahan na yung boses ko dahil parang a little bit hoarse because kakagising ko lang. This is my first video and I will be talking about single blessedness. So, admittedly, I am recording this video because I was inspired by my co-teachers who are into vlogging and who are into live streaming. So, hindi ko naman kalakasan na mag-live kasi medyo jahe ako pag may tao. Hindi ko talaga gustong mag-take pictures o di kaya mag-take video. So, here, sa ganitong paraan, I can still record video. At the same time, wala namang tao. Ako lang mag-isa. So, this morning, I'm going to talk about single blessedness. So, sabi, hindi naman sa magiging narcissistic, but sino ba ang taong mas kilala mo kundi ang sarili mo? I cannot quote other people. I cannot pretend to know what other people are thinking or feeling. I can only guess. So, bakit ba ako manghuhula? I can always refer to my own experience. So, ang pagiging single blessed ay isang call. So, dahil at 50, I will be 50 this November 21. At 50, hindi ako kahit kailan nag-regret na hindi ako nakapag-asawa. I was being butted with lots of jokes about sexuality, about pagiging nag-iisa. So, people often do not think na settled ka na because you are single. Iniisip nila, baka naghahanap pa ito ng mga lalaki, etc., etc. So, at 50, hindi naman ako nag-regret na naging single blessed. Because, okay naman ang pagiging single. In fact, kung single ka, walang sakit ng ulo. When it comes to decisions, hindi mo kailangan kumonsulta sa kung kanino man. You only have to inform your family. But then, basically, I made my own decisions na wala akong hinihinga ng opinion. Wala akong hinihinga ng permiso. I also do not have a problem with reporting to somebody ano yung kinakain ko, saan ako pupunta, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. So, I do not have to explain to anybody the decisions I am doing for myself. Yan ang isa sa mga perks. And then, you get to go where you wanted to go. Wala kang pagsasabihan or wala kang permisong hihingin kahit kanino. At saka, pag single ka, you do not have domestic problems. Siguro, may pagka-selfish din yung pagiging single because inuuna mo yung parang ikaw lang. So, siguro, sabi nila, mararamdaman mo ang mga ito pag matanda ka na. Kasi, di ba, if you are single, parang wala kang legacy. Wala kang maiiwan. So, probably, people in the future will have to guess kung meron bang taong katulad ko na to actually nag-exist kasi wala namang proof or evidence. So, siguro, maganda din yung pagiging single. Maybe, marriage suit other people, but single blessedness definitely suits me. So, okay naman ang pagiging single. At saka, it's a two-way thing. Dalawang bagay ang pagiging single. Una sa lahat, I was never bugged with mga panliligaw from anybody. Hindi rin ako nagpapaligaw at wala rin nanliligaw sa akin. So, siguro yun, no? Hindi mahirap sa akin maging single blessed dahil wala namang nagkagusto sa akin. I mean, I'd not say that as some sort of insecurity or something. Sinasabi ko lang yung totoo. Point blank. So, nagiging smooth naman yung takbo ng buhay ko. And dahil dyan, wala akong pinagsisihan na naging single ako. So, maganda ang buhay, masarap ang buhay ng single. Wala kang alalahanin kung ano-ano mang bagay. Pero siguro, ika nga, yung may mga tao ding hindi fitted to be single dahil naghahanap sila ng mga validation from a partner, naghahanap sila ng kasama. Ako naman, I thrive by being alone. I thrive na wala akong i-consider na somebody when it comes to decision making. So, napakasarap ng pagiging single. Hindi ka nagkakaroon ng burden, walang pasaway na partner, walang problemahing partner kung nagkagusto ba sa iba or nagkaroon ng mga kung ano-anong relasyon sa iba. So, I guess marriage has its own perks. So does being single. So, I think that would be all for our topic and more topic next week or next video.